Best balance. Try a balancing experiment. What you'll need: 2 unsharpened pencils, 1 with an eraser, 1 without. Ruler, marker. Tip: use a paper straw if you do not have a pencil without an eraser.
Step 1.
Use the ruler to find the exact middle of each pencil.
Step 2.
With your palm up, hold your pointer finger straight out. Place the pencil without an eraser on your finger so that it balances. What did you notice?
Step 3.
Now repeat step 2 with the pencil with an eraser. Did something different happen? Dr. Zed explains. The pencil without an eraser balanced on your finger in the middle spot you marked. The balancing spot is called the center of gravity. But with the eraser pencil, the center of gravity was not exactly in the middle. That's because the eraser made the pencil heavier on one side. If you make small adjustments, you will find the new center of gravity for the eraser pencil.